These are the Audio Technica ATH M50s. This is the earlier model. This is one of the first models. There's different iterations of this headphones that Audio Technica makes. It's very popular. A lot of people have it because they're so comfortable to wear and has good sound isolation. I used to work in a desk in an open space office, and everybody had headphones because it's an open space. And pretty much all the employees for the company that I worked for, we all had these Audio Technica M50s. And some, depending on the year it was, people upgraded to the M50X, and then there's the 40X, and then there's other versions. This is the one, it's a coiled cable that's built in. The newer versions have a detachable cable, but this has been with me for a very long time. I've had these for almost as long as I've had the Sony 7506s. I used to use this for production, but these are a little bit too big for production. This is more for studio or for if you're in a work office and you just want ultimate privacy. Having headphones this big, it not only looks like you don't want to talk to anybody in the office, it looks like they can't hear you. So that's one of the benefits of having such big headphones in an office environment. It just looks like you can't hear anything because they're giant earmuffs. In this video, I'm going to replace the Earpads and also try to fix the headband that has this, all of the faux leather is deteriorated over the many years that I've had it. And I have two products that I just got to test out. For the Earpads, I got these black pads, the Wicked Cushions. It's a third-party manufacturer that makes replaceable ear pads. And then the other thing I got is, this is the Deafen Headphone Protector headband. It just wraps around this. There are other products that you can replace the faux leather completely, but it involves unscrewing the headband here and removing it and then doing some wiring work. That looked a little bit too much for me, so I just got a wraparound. I think it's gonna be good enough for my uses. Right, I don't use this as frequently anymore, but I do wanna keep it, and I can't keep having, I just want it fresh ear pads here, and get rid of this crumbling stuff situation. So let me replace the ear pads first. Oh, this one has an instruction. Great. All right, let's do one at a time here. Let's rip this one off. You just pull it off like that. And oh, it's got some deterioration here. You can see it's crumbly. All right. New one coming in. It was really fast. Once I elongated the elastic pier, this piece here was able to slip right into the groove that the instruction says. Right here, it says that it needs to slip into the middle. There's like a little slit where this goes in, and it went right in there. I just pulled it. I had to pull it a little hard, and then it went really fast and secure. And there it is. Look how much cushion that is compared to my old originals. These are the originals. They have no more foam in there. It seems like I wore off all the foam. But look at that size difference, that earpiece. Okay, now that I know how to do it, I'm gonna do this next side on camera. So pull this one off. Oh, this one's also dirty. Let me clean this. All right, there you go. Ear pads are in. Great. Before I put this on my head, though, I want to get that wrap, and so to prevent all of the faux leather from getting in my hair. This is not fun putting this on here. All right, got that. It's like it doesn't want to. There we go. Oh my God. All right. Okay, that was not pretty, but here it is. It's on tight, and there's a bit of play here. See that little bit right there? But let me just, I'll put it on, see how it feels. Oh man. Luckily, it wears better than it looks. It doesn't look that great, but when I put it on, it fits like a glove. It feels brand new, at least the ear pads do. This, I'm gonna have to take some time to get used to, but I needed something to get all of that faux leather from peeling off and getting in my hair. So there you go. And instead of buying a whole new pair of headphones, I just spent, what was this? The headband piece is about $10, and then these ear pads around $20-ish, around there. So all in, $30, almost have a feeling like a brand new pair of headphones.